Have you ever wondered what made Einstein, well, Einstein? Today we dive into the enigma surrounding the brain of one of the greatest minds humanity has ever known, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, the man who needs no introduction, was a titan of theoretical physics, a Nobel laureate, and the architect of the theory of relativity. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for much of the modern understanding of the physical world, from the smallest particles to the vast expanses of the universe. But the genius of Einstein was not confined to his lifetime. Even after his death in the spring of 1955, his intellectual legacy lived on. And in a twist straight out of a science fiction novel, his physical brain took on a life of its own. You see, in a bid to decode the enigma that was Einstein, his brain was preserved post-mortem. The hope was that by studying the physical structure of his brain, scientists might uncover the secrets of his extraordinary cognitive abilities. This act of preservation was not without controversy. Questions of ethics and consent were raised, and the journey of Einstein's brain through the decades has been a strange and convoluted one, but that's a story for another time. What's fascinating is that this humble organ, weighing just around 3 pounds, was once the vessel of a mind that revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It was this brain that conjured up the theory of relativity, that grappled with the mysteries of quantum mechanics, and that imagined riding alongside a beam of light. The study of Einstein's brain represents a unique opportunity to peer into the workings of genius, to explore the physical underpinnings of intellectual prowess. Yet, as we delve into the intricacies of this remarkable organ, we find that the secrets it holds are not easily unraveled. It seems that the mysteries of the universe were not the only enigmas Einstein left behind. Of intellectual prowess. Yet, as we delve into the intricacies of this remarkable organ, we find that the secrets it holds are not easily unraveled. It seems that the mysteries of the universe were not the only enigmas Einstein left behind. So, what happened to Einstein's brain after his death? In the hours following Albert Einstein's passing, his brain began a journey as intriguing as the physicist's life itself. In direct defiance of Einstein's final wishes, pathologist Thomas Harvey performed an autopsy and removed the brain for scientific study. He was not granted permission, nor did he have the necessary qualifications, but the allure of understanding the organ that housed such genius was too compelling. Harvey meticulously photographed the brain from multiple angles, preserving its intricate structures for posterity. He then dissected it into 240 sections, each about the thickness of a credit card, and distributed them to some of the most prominent neuroscientists of the time. Imagine holding a piece of Einstein's brain in your hand, an organ that revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Over the years, these brain sections have passed through the hands of many researchers, each hoping to unlock the secrets of Einstein's genius. From Marion Diamond at the University of California, who found an increased number of glial cells in Einstein's brain, to Sandra Whittelson at McMaster University, who discovered that Einstein's parietal lobe, the area responsible for spatial understanding and mathematical thought, was 15% wider than average. Each revelation has added another piece to the puzzle of Einstein's extraordinary intellect. Yet the journey of Einstein's brain was not without controversy. Questions about the ethics of Harvey's actions, the validity of the research, and the very notion of trying to understand genius through anatomy have swirled around the brain's odyssey. Despite this, the allure of Einstein's brain endures. It continues to captivate our imaginations and fuel scientific inquiry. The journey of Einstein's brain is as fascinating and complex as the man himself. From a quiet room in Princeton, to laboratories around the world, to the pages of scientific journals, the brain of Albert Einstein continues to inspire and perplex us. And perhaps that's the most fitting tribute to a man who spent his life pursuing the mysteries of the universe. Now, what exactly made Einstein's brain different from ours? Well, the answer lies in the anatomy, the very structure of his brain. Upon examination, scientists found that Einstein's brain had several unique features. The most notable among them was the increased size of the parietal lobe. For those who are unfamiliar, the parietal lobe plays a crucial role in processing sensory information from various parts of the body, understanding spatial orientation, recognition, and managing perception of stimuli. It's the part of our brain that helps us understand numbers, manipulate objects, and use reasoning skills. In Einstein's brain, this region was 15% wider than average. This unusual width may have provided the extra space for neurons to interconnect and communicate, potentially enhancing Einstein's ability to visualize and think in 3 dimensions. Another fascinating feature was the unique pattern of grooves or convolutions on the surface of his brain. Known as the gyri and sulci, these grooves and folds increase the surface area of the brain, allowing for higher function and thought. In Einstein's case, the pattern was highly irregular and complex, different from the average pattern seen in most brains. This irregularity could have allowed for more crosstalk between neurons, possibly contributing to his extraordinary cognitive abilities. Moreover, it was found that Einstein's brain lacked a typical groove in the mid-frontal lobe, a part associated with working memory and attention. The absence of this groove suggests that his brain had evolved differently, possibly creating a more efficient neural network for processing complex ideas and theories. In essence, these anatomical differences in Einstein's brain might have contributed to his incredible abilities in abstract thinking, spatial recognition, and numerical understanding. However, it's important to remember that while the brain's structure can influence cognitive abilities, it's not the sole determinant. Many factors, including environment, learning, and experience, also play a significant role. Einstein's brain, it seems, was as unique as his mind. But were these anatomical differences reflected in how Einstein's brain functioned? Let's dive into the depths of this fascinating question. First and foremost, it's important to remember that the brain isn't just a static piece of machinery. It's a dynamic, ever-changing organ that adapts and molds itself according to the tasks it's asked to perform. This is a concept known as neuroplasticity. In Einstein's case, the unique structural features of his brain might have been the result of his intensive mental exercises. His brain, much like a finely tuned instrument, was likely shaped by the complex mathematical and spatial reasoning he engaged in throughout his life. Now, let's explore the theories that link these anatomical differences to Einstein's extraordinary abilities. One such theory suggests that the enlarged inferior parietal region of his brain, an area associated with spatial cognition and mathematical thought, could have given him an edge in visualizing complex physical phenomena and mathematical equations. Another theory points to Einstein's unique pattern of brain folding, or gyrification. This pattern could have allowed for better connectivity between different brain regions, facilitating faster and more efficient information processing. And let's not forget about the extraordinary development of his prefrontal cortex, an area of the brain associated with abstract thinking and decision-making. This could have amplified Einstein's ability to think abstractly and solve problems in innovative ways. However, it's important to remember that these are just theories. While they provide a fascinating glimpse into the potential functional implications of the anatomical differences in Einstein's brain, they are not conclusive. The brain remains a complex and mysterious organ, and the relationship between its structure and function is still not fully understood. What we can say with certainty, though, is that Einstein's brain was different. And these differences, whether they were the cause or the result of his exceptional abilities, are a testament to the incredible potential of the human brain. The brain of the man who redefined our understanding of space and was indeed extraordinary. So, what can we learn from the study of Einstein's brain? Unraveling the enigma of Einstein's brain has given us remarkable insights into the fascinating world of neuroscience. The studies conducted on his brain have unveiled some key findings that have significantly contributed to our understanding of brain anatomy and function. Firstly, the examination of Einstein's brain revealed that it was 15% wider than average. This unusual expansion of the parietal lobe, an area associated with spatial cognition and mathematical thought, might hint at the remarkable genius of Einstein. This discovery has deepened our understanding of the role the parietal lobe plays in cognitive abilities and has prompted further research into the correlation between brain structure and intellectual prowess. Secondly, Einstein's brain lacked a typical groove in the parietal lobe, which usually divides it into two distinct sections. This absence of a groove suggests that Einstein's brain had an enhanced capacity for communication between neurons, which could have contributed to his innovative thinking. This finding has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of neural communication and its role in cognitive processes. Moreover, Einstein's prefrontal cortex, the region associated with abstract thinking and decision-making, was also notably different. The extensive folding and convolution in this area might have facilitated an increased number of neuronal connections, potentially fueling Einstein's exceptional abstract thinking abilities. These findings have not only shed light on the unique characteristics of Einstein's brain, but have also underscored the significance of individual differences in brain anatomy. By studying Einstein's brain, we've been able to appreciate the complex interplay between brain structure and function and the potential it holds for intellectual capabilities. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of the human brain, the legacy of Einstein's brain serves as a potent reminder of the wealth of knowledge that awaits us. The study of his brain has been a stepping stone, encouraging us to question, explore, and push the boundaries of our understanding. Einstein's brain continues to inspire and intrigue us, just as his theories continue to shape our understanding of the universe. For more informative videos, like and subscribe Amazed Info.